Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to talk about the best punch-hole wallpaper for the iQOO 7 smartphone. As you can see friends, and this is a question which has been asked by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. And in this video I'll try to talk about the new application which I came across and what are the good wallpapers which you can actually find in this particular application. So most of the wallpapers present in these applications are clearly designed for this kind of middle type punch-hole mobile phones. So for example, which is iQOO 7 device in this case, and the application name which is called the A72 punch hole wallpaper, as you can see. So this application wallpaper is designed basically for the Samsung Galaxy A72 model, but the iQOO 7 has got the middle type punch hole. We can actually utilize this application for the iQOO 7 device as well. So one more quick note, so when you're trying to use this application, if you try to disable the internet data, so there will be no ads at all. Yes, if you try to use the internet data during the time of opening the applications, then you will start receiving so many ads. So that's another one quick tip which I thought of mentioning for the users. And this application doesn't require any kind of internet connection. Yes, so all the wallpapers are completely pre-installed in this application. As you can see, everything, all the wallpapers, as you can see friends, exactly. And there are three advantages. One, to avoid ads, you need to disable the internet connection. And next thing, all wallpapers are available offline, everything, so you don't need to connect every time to the internet connection. And third is you can actually download these wallpapers. Let me know to open the wallpapers. You can actually download and save into the phone. Everything for free. Yes, this complete application is designed for free only. You don't need to pay any kind of money at all to enjoy this kind of benefits. So once you select this wallpaper, it's pretty simple. So try to click on the home only option. So now you can actually apply this kind of punch hole wallpaper which are exactly aligned for the iQOO 7 device. As you can see friends, exactly. So not even a small miss is happening in this kind of punch hole location, exact in this iQOO 7 device, which is perfect, working without any kind of issues in this device. Let me to open the application again. So every time you open the application, it will take some time to reload. So this is another Mickey Mouse. Let me try to select this one. So let's go to the select wallpaper. Not only the home screen, even on the lock screen as well, you can actually apply, as you can see friends, which looks really good in terms of avoiding this kind of punch hole camera. So within this wallpaper, as you can see friends, if you see from certain angle, you will definitely forget about the front cam itself whenever you try to look at the home screen. So that is a useful and benefit of this kind of wallpaper applications. So that is the reason I thought of making this series as soon as possible for all the smartphones which I'm having right now. So make sure to follow the playlist for the wallpapers, so which I did create a separate playlist for each and every wallpaper for every phone, as you can see. So you can check the playlist of the wallpapers, and there you can find plenty of other interesting wallpaper applications which are I did review them as well. And few of the wallpapers are completely new for me as well. Yes, so since past I think few years I did use couple of applications. I can definitely say the wallpapers which are present in this application are slightly different when compared with the previous other punch hole type of wallpapers. Few can be common. Yes, few of the wallpapers are commonly seen in other wallpaper applications, and few are slightly different in this particular application. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick review on the wallpaper application on this iQOO 7 device. And in case if you have any other queries on, if you want me to do any other wallpaper review on any other smartphone, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.